In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change characters in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can swap between characters in Heroes Battlegrounds and how to use all of their different actions, abilities, and combos. So, you will be able to switch between any of the available characters on any platform. All that you have to do is join Heroes Battlegrounds and then click on characters at the top of the screen. So, you will see this little user icon, and when you click on this, you can see all of the characters currently available in game. So they have Green Hero, Hero Slayer, Azure Flames, Split Eyes, Explosion Hero, Symbol of Fear, Huge Lady, The Strongest, and then this option at the bottom, Spawn Namu. So I am currently doing this on a private server. You will be able to access most of these characters on public servers as well, so keep that in mind. I'm only doing it in a private server to record this, and when you click on any of the characters, you will immediately respawn as them. You will see that your abilities will change at the bottom, and you will be able to use them. So you can walk up to any character, start attacking, and you will see all of the different animations, the combos, and so on. You will be able to ascend by completing certain quests, as you can see, and there are a lot of characters to explore, so I'm just gonna swap between them. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about what each and every single character does, but as you can see, they all have different abilities, so you might be able to find one that suits your playstyle better. You can look for combos and recommendations on YouTube to learn how to play, see what all of them do, and eventually you will be able to get one that satisfies you. So there are a lot of characters to explore, and you can easily swap between them by clicking on character at the top left and then clicking on the specific character that you want to play as. You will respawn immediately, and all of them are going to have different forms, variations, outfits, combos, and so on. There's a lot to explore, and you will be able to waste hours and hours learning all of these different characters. I hope I was able to help you on how to change characters in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.